Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Shahzad Ahmed. How are you everyone? Hope you are all fine. Today we discuss about Keepa and its filters so you can find some profitable products. So first of all, let's come on these filters here. You go to Keepa first and then you click product research and then you will be landed on find products page and these filters will show up. You know the procedure because you already practiced it. So the first thing you have to do, you have to enter the BSR, bestseller rank, yeah, sales rank. So 90 days average, use 90 days average from 1 to 60,000. Means it starts from 1 to 60,000. This range is better for profitable products. And the next filter you use Amazon must be out of stock so you can sell well for the profit. So Amazon must be out of stock, sales rank 1 to 60,000. New products, so new products means the sellers selling on current prices must be start from $15 to maybe $40 or 50, whatever. If you want to edit this option you can edit it, but current price from $15, because if the price is low then your profit margin will also be decreased. So current price must be starting from 12 to $15 up to $40, $50. And the next option we use is used products. So used products, check this out of box, out of stock box, because used products must not be present there. 30 days average, don't write anything here, just check this box. Then you select your category. So you can select the category whichever you want: home and kitchen, pet supplies, office products, sports and outdoors selected here. So the categories which are ungated, Amazon in the categories where Amazon don't restrict you for selling. So these categories are good for beginners to sell on Amazon. Next, new offer count. If you are doing wholesale, then new offer count must be there. Must be 4 sellers, wholesale sellers present there at least. Because if there were no sellers present there, it means the brand is not allowing you to sell your products there. So must be 4 sellers at least, up to 15, 20, 25. It will be better, 4 to 25. Next, buy box seller. So Amazon must not be a buy box seller. Amazon must not have the buy box. Third party sellers must have the buy box, because if Amazon have it, so we don't need to go in that product because we don't compete with Amazon. Amazon have its store. Amazon is the owner of Amazon website, so he can prefer its own products first in some cases. So sell those products in which Amazon is not present. Third party sellers are selling the products. For example, the wholesalers who are doing FBA, FBA and wholesalers that are doing FBM. And next filter, additional buy box switches, so you can do not touch them, keep them as it is. Next filter, product type. So select, uncheck this digital products, because digital products you are not, if you are not selling digital products, so uncheck them. If you are selling physical products, then check this dialog box. Variations, no variations, because if there are variations present it will be a problem for you. You have to buy multiple products, your budget will increase, and it will not work properly for beginners. So no variations products will be good for you if you are beginner. Next, rating must be 3.5 to 4. So lower than 3.5 or 3 it is bad reviews. So bad reviews product don't sell well and you don't get profit. So review must be review rating 3.5 up to 4. Review counts at least 100. If you are doing wholesale or online arbitrage. So reviews must start from 100 up to so on. If the more reviews, the better in the wholesale case. If you are doing private label, you select your competitor which have below 300 or 400 or 200 reviews below that limit. But in wholesale and arbitrage case, the reviews must be above 100 so that the customers can buy from you after watching your reviews. And availability of the Amazon offer, no Amazon offer exists, check this box, uncheck this one. Amazon offer is in the stock and shippable, because we don't want this. Amazon offer is pre-order, also uncheck this. Amazon offer availability is unknown, remain this checked. Amazon offer is back ordered, uncheck this. Amazon offer shipping is delayed, and you also seeing this as checked, so use these for profitable products. Next, the weight of your item. It must be below 2500 grams, means 2.5 kg. Below 2.5 kg, it will be good. So, because if your product have more weight, Amazon will charge you more fees. Your profit margin will decrease. So, weight below 2.5 kg is a good weight for profitable product. Additional switches, you can see that MAP restriction. Check this all, launchpad all, adult products no, trade ineligible no, prime eligible buy box all, subscribe and save all. So use these filters if you want a profitable product. So that's how you can use Keepa for your finding some profitable product, for your product research, and that's how you can get the products. After getting the results, you can check each result and check your criteria. If it fulfills, you found the product, and if the criteria not fulfills, continue searching, and inshallah you will get some products to sell. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and also subscribe our channel if you want more videos and get more information from them. So thank you very much everyone, thank you very much, Allah Hafiz.